that, my lord, I am an accused of defalcation, of siphoning of funds. My lord, my account, my wife's account, my mother's account, all have been seized by the freezed by the that. My lord, immediately after that, the amount has been freezed, account has been freezed. My lord, the de facto complainant filed an application for withdrawal of that amount, and instantly, my lord, that amount has been transferred to the account of the, my lord, de facto complainant during the pendency of the trial, without the completion, my lord, of the charge sheet, without the filing of the charge sheet. Grievance, my lord, I am before you with your lordship.
Who passed? It has been done by the investigating officer or by the order of a court of law?
By the order of
Judicial magistrate.
by the
457 order, my lord.
Yes,
457 order.
my lord, kindly come to the prayers. I have not
Kindly
challenged
read
that.
prayer A and page 49.
My lord, prior to that, my lord, the writ court, my lord, under Article 226 can always interfere, my lord, where, my lord, there is an abuse of the process of the court.
No.
And for the interest of justice is
26 is not a
kindly
supervisory
seize.
jurisdiction at all.
Yes, my lord, kindly seize. Your lordship, kindly seize, my lord. My lord, section 498, your lordship seize. My lord, what it says, my lord. My lord, if, my lord, the investigation is not complete, I do not know. It has not been come to the conclusion that whose money is lying in my account, my wife's account, my mother's account. It is a clear violation of this.
I don't understand, sir. What are you wanting?
My lord, kindly
Violation of what?
Kindly comes to the prayers. Kindly come to the prayers, my lord.
There is an order of the magistrate,
My lord, I have never challenged the order of the magistrate before your lordship. I have not.
but there is a consequential act. What you are challenging, the consequence is an
My
order
lord,
of the...
further acts that might happen to me, kindly come to the prayers once. Kindly seize, my lord. Your lordship had ample power to, my lord, intervene over here. Kindly seize the prayers, my lord.
So fast prayer is related to an order.
I am not pursuing that. I am not wanting the IO to file a show cause. My lord, kindly see prayer B and C, kindly seize. And if it doesn't shock the conscience of your lordship, kindly seize. My lord, I do not know. I am hand to mouth. All my accounts have been freezed.
Can be granted for release of money.
Money transferred, my lord. Even the FDs, my lord, are broken. The mutual funds are redeemed.
Or read in,
Another
Right, my
1.3 crores are freezed. Another 1.3 crores property is there.
read in a national.
Accounts officer having
My
50,000 salary
cannot be
has amassed 2.2 crores as of now we have found out.
During the investigation,
All money from
without-
his
without
employer
my-
transferred to his mother, wife,
that
brother-in-law,
is under trial.
brother-in-law's wife.
Investigation is going
Properties
on.
are there, mutual
Charge
funds,
sheet has not been
investment in
submitted.
demat accounts, much disproportionate to his income.
My lord, my lord.
An order has been passed on 30th September
Yes, your lordship.
2024.
Yes.
On the basis of a report, your grievances regarding the report.
Regarding the report, and thereafter, my lord, even today, my lord, the total, my lord, amount that was
That I
alleged.
will consider that I don't understand. Your
My lord, prayer B and C, your lordship can.
say, how can I, sir? How can I segregate prayer as a criminal
No,
case?
my lord, that amount can be returned to the account. I am not withdrawing it. Freeze it. Keep it freeze.
No, how can it be?
Keep it freeze, my lord. It can also not be, my
So
lord.
you
that
go
during
for
the-
revisional jurisdiction, sir. How under Article 220?
Because, my lord, there is an abuse of the process of court, my lord.
The abuse of the
And your
process,
lordship has
abuse
power
of the
to
process of
intervene.
the court is the inherent power of the
Judicial
Supreme Court.
orders under 226
My
which
lord,
cannot be decided. Well, it's settled law.
No, my lord,
AIR 67 SC page 1 Hidayatullah Malad. It is settled law. It has been subsequently followed in separate
My lord,
decisions.
it's the latest judgment of 2025. Kindly consider it, my lord. Reed court has the power, my lord. When your lordship sees for the interest of justice and for the to
So
intervene,
unless
to
when a
protect.
criminal court is there, why are you invoking the jurisdiction?
My
of
lord,
this?
kindly seize your lordship. My lord, prayer B and C
Additional
can be
10
granted.
no, sir.
I am not on prayer A. My lord, prayer B and C can be granted. My lord, I will pursue my relief before the criminal court under 482. But my lord, prayer B and C, your
So
lordship can protect at least to that extent.
To go before that.
My lord, I will go. I will not pursue that prayer A. Prayer B and C, your lordship can protect me to that extent, your lordship. Let it be returned back. I am not asking to give.
So
it
that
to me.
returning is setting aside of the order of the 30th September 2024.
My lord, when there is an abuse of process of court, your
Yeah, the
lordship
order
has
is
the power.
barred by invitation. You are invoking 226. After 5 months, an order is passed. You come under Article 226.
My lord, kindly seize. My lord, today, as on today, I do not know the IO tomorrow can also transfer the amount. My lord,
What amount?
my
Transfer
lord, the
the
amount lying in the account
No,
of
no,
my
these,
mother
these
and
are
wife.
these are all whimsical
No, my lord, yes,
contentions, sir.
My lord, kindly seize. The allegation was of 1 crore 40 lakhs.
Yes.
Out of which in the complaint,
found out
the de
2.2
facto has no, kindly
Entire
let me
money
say.
chain is established.
No, 64 lakhs
Sir,
has
I'm
been
not
returned.
entertaining, sir. If
My lord, kindly grant me
No.
some protection to
No,
prayer
no,
B and C.
where from I will grant protection if I don't feel that that you have got an alternative?
My lord, I did not get any scope, my lord, to come before the court because I was under the bar, my lord, at that point of time, behind the bars. My lord, kindly seize. My lord, today accounts of my wife.
And all these points can be agitated in
I
relation
will-
to
Criminal forum.
My lord, how will I stop the IO, my lord? Today, how will I protect myself from the high-handedness of the IO? Kindly seize, my lord. Total alleged amount was 1 crore 40 lakhs. More than 2 lakhs have been transferred.
Huh?
How it could be, your
Okay,
lordship?
because in course of investigation is not
2.2.
an encyclopedia of
My lord,
facts, but
490.
settled proposition
2.2
of law.
crores we have entire money chain has been established.
Unless you
Kindly seize.
put in efforts in
My
a
lord,
Cost should be imposed from a petitioner like this. But in course of investigation, we have found out photographs from ATM counters where he
Why
personally
don't you
went
file a charge
with
sheet
the
before saying
ATM card of his brother-in-law's wife to withdraw the amount.
File a charge sheet.
Kindly inform
petitioner-
the petitioner.
petitioner is agreed by
Moment, my lord, the amount has been
order,
freezed.
and also
In fact,
for
the
disturbing-
control of the amount.
on 30th
Also for
September
interfering with
2024 in connection with this is Shakespeare Sarni or what is it, sir?
No, this is Shakespeare Shawnee PS case.
Shakespeare Sarni PS case number 146 dated
7th of September 2024.
This is September, 7th of September 2024. Full stop. Petitioner's principal grievance is that the private respondent has been uh, directed for refund of money which were in respect of accounts which were frozen. According to the petitioner, the investigating officer gave no objection, which was the consequence of the learned judicial court, which court? CJM.
now मतलब judicial court मतलब CJ
Learned CJM
Kolkata.
passing an order. Full stop. Additionally, it has been submitted that the investigation commenced with allegations of a certain sum of money, and the return which has been made to the petitioner is much more and the subject matter of the allegations. Full stop. Learned, you are for the respondent number?
मतलब 5 मतलब I am leading Mr. Dasgupta मतलब
Company to.
Private opposite.
Appearing.
Company na complainant.
Rajesh
From defecto complainant.
De facto.
Complainant, you know.
Right.
Learned advocate 8 for the respondent number 5 is learned advocate for the respondent number 5 opposes the contentions and submits that the court, the learned 8 CJM Calcutta, after considering the submissions and only on bond has released the amount pending investigation. Learned Senior Standing Counsel appearing on behalf of the state submits that the investigation of the case is under progress. Prima facie material, substantial materials have been collected, and the orders so passed are judicial orders
Cannot be challenged.
in course of investigation, which are not subject to amendable under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. Having considered the submissions of the respective parties, I am of the view that since the order, since the police report was taken into account by the learned CJM Calcutta while passing the order dated 30th September 2024 in connection with Shakespeare Study PS case number 146 dated 7/9/2024 corresponding to GR bracketed South 843 of the 24. The manner in which the powers of the court has been invoked. The provisions the provisions of Article 226 of the Constitution of India cannot be invoked in view of the alternative and efficacious remedy available under law to the petitioner.
Your Lordship kindly co-considers the judgment that I have placed, my lord. Thereafter, Your Lordship rejects it. Your Lordship kindly co-considers that once, my lord. I have given, my lord. Kindly considers that one. Once. Citation টা হচ্ছে 2025 SCC online SC 17.
17.
My lord, para 12 is the concluding, my lord, paragraph. From 6 it starts, para 12.
भी आ जाऊंगा, हाथ को डाउन.
No.
Acha.
My lord, only one thing may I pray before your lordship.
Learned aid, just wait. Learned advocate aid for the petitioner.
Watching of FIR.
So I can't prevent. Somebody placing the judgment. You got that PHR invent.
My lord, I have the Radhesam judgment with my junior, my lord. We will hand over to your lordship.
PHR invent you have.
No, I was placing that AIS 67 page 1, if I may.
My lord, we have 2015 filed SCC.
Judgment gulo dito.
That revision.
Paragraphs. Write down the paragraphs. Write down the paragraphs, sir. Learned advocate.
Hand over a soft copy.
You give the citation number and the paragraphs. अच्छा ये क्या बोला petitioner conclusion है देवेन learned advocate appearing for the petitioner relies upon Kim Wansu versus State of UP and others 2025 SCC online SCE 17 emphasis has been made on paragraph 12 which reads as follows করে paragraph 12 টা দিয়ে দেবেন হ্যাঁ yes yours private respondent যেখানটা দিয়েছে learned aid advocate for the respondent number 5 relies upon the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Adarsh Am and Nada versus Shabina Earth and others 2015 5 SCCE 423 the full stop reference has been made to paragraphs এত দেবো না 4 10 11 25 আর 87 কি আছে
Only the thing that he does not like, it's when a particular judicial order is under challenge. That is all.
But your lordship, the prayers that I have prayed before your lordship,
25
do not,
to
my lord, challenge
27.
the judicial order.
Yes, Mr. Bandyopadhyay stated for Mr. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, in order to fortify his argument, relied upon
May I add a paragraph to that? This is AIR 1967 SC page 1. এটা কাগজ দিলাম না 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 এটা জাজমেন্ট লিখে দিলাম মে আই অ্যাড
কোথায় রাখলো আবার অফিসের নাম বোধহয় নিয়ে নিয়েছে এই দেখুন ইয়েস AI 1967 SC1 paragraph 8 and
I'll add later. So there are some more paragraphs. May I write it down?
এটাই তো ওনাকে দিয়ে দিন ওই যে প্যারাগ্রাফ আচ্ছা রিলায়েন্স হ্যাজ বিন মেড ইন রেসপেক্ট অফ দ্য ফলোইং প্যারাগ্রাফস গুলো ওটা এ করে দেবেন প্যারাগ্রাফ গুলো দিয়ে দেবেন আচ্ছা
Your Lordship, two submissions I would like to make.
আর নো মোর সাবমিশন
My Lord, two very innocuous prayers, my Lord. And my Lord, that will not intervene with the judicial order under any circumstance. My Lord, two prayers. My Lord, kindly, my Lord, C considers, my Lord, prayer C once, not to transfer any further amount to your Lordship.
No.
During, my Lord, the investigation until the, my Lord,
That's a part of
accordingly WPA
no, my Lord, under investigation, the money cannot be transferred.
No, that's 457.
Your Lordship, one more thing, your Lordship, my Lord, my accounts, my mother's account and my wife's account have been freezed. My Lord, I am not being able to receive my salary, my Lord, in my account. Only if your Lordship, my Lord,
go
operates
to the magistrate for that, sir.
one account so that I can receive the salary.
So this is an original code for that, sir. A magistrate is insisting of the matter.
My Lord, kindly, your
You are not receiving your salary. Where is your application for the
All
right?
has been freezed, your Lordship.
So go for opening freezing before the magistrate. Have you made that application? First chance you will come in High Court and agitate. I don't understand this, sir.